Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the SSD's health and state. Run the manufacturer diagnostic and a smart check to know if bytes are failing. Once done, back up critical data to an external drive. Next, temporarily disable antivirus scans and cloud sync to prevent constant I/O. These services can spike usage while troubleshooting. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and that you have administrative rights, because you'll be changing drivers, power plans, and services in the next steps. Now focus on drivers and firmware, because outdated NVMe or SATA drivers and chipsets cause high I/O. Update drivers from the vendor or device manager, and flash SSD firmware per instructions. Firmware can resolve internal queuing issues. Then, tune Windows services. Stop sysmain, pause Windows search indexing temporarily, and set storage sense to manual. Also change power plan to high performance to avoid aggressive sleep cycles that may provoke constant disk access. These steps lower background writes, finish by repairing system files and hunting rogue processes. Run DISM and SFC to fix corrupt Windows components that can trigger repeated disk access. Once they complete, reboot. Use Resource Monitor and Process Monitor to trace which process is causing 100% usage, then disable or uninstall that app. If the SSD still shows abnormal usage, test it in another machine to isolate motherboard issues, and if it fails diagnostics, contact the manufacturer for warranty or our.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.